Welcome you all for my organic chemistry channel. In this chapter, we will discuss carbohydrates and its classification. What are carbohydrates? A carbohydrate is a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. As I said, carbohydrates are biomolecules. Carbohydrates are present in vegetables, fruits, bread, ice cream, chocolates. Here I have given good carbohydrates and bad carbohydrates. Intake of good carbohydrates will keep our body fit. This picture gives an idea of healthy carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in the many of the naturally occurring organic compounds. They are sugar, starch, cellulose, table sugar, wood cotton, potato starch, honey and milk sugar are all carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are very essential for the maintenance of life in both animals and plants. Formation of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are formed by the process of photosynthesis. The formation of carbohydrate in nature occurs in the plants by a process called photosynthesis. Plants contain the green pigments called chlorophyll, which catalyzes the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into sugar. Here I have mentioned the equation: carbon dioxide molecules and water in presence of sunlight and also in presence of chlorophyll we get carbohydrates and oxygen. Again, for the clearance I have mentioned the equation. Here carbon dioxide and water combines together in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give glucose and oxygen. Classification and nomenclature of carbohydrates. The name of the most carbohydrates are characterized by the ending OSC. Thus we have glucose, fructose, sucrose, cellulose. The carbohydrates are divided into three major classes depending upon the hydrolysis and number of products formed. Hydrolysis பண்ணும்போது three major classes of carbohydrates divide பண்ண முடியும். First one is monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones. Polyhydroxyaldehydes அப்படின்னா பாலி நிறைய ஹைட்ராக்சி நிறைய OH இருக்கும் ஆல்டிஹைட்ஸும் present ஆயிருக்கும் or polyhydroxy ketone. Poly means many, hydroxy OH keto group will be present, which cannot be decomposed by hydrolysis to give simpler carbohydrates, which cannot be hydrolyzed further. When the glucose or fructose is hydrolyzed, it will not give any product and there is no reaction. This is called as monosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are the carbohydrates which yield a definite number 2 to 9 of monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. Oligosaccharides hydrolysis பண்ணும்போது 2 இருந்து 9 monosaccharide molecules நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Here I have mentioned only two examples: disaccharides and trisaccharides. Disaccharides which yields two monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. Disaccharides hydrolysis பண்ணா ரெண்டே ரெண்டு monosaccharide molecules மட்டும்தான் கிடைக்கும். Example of disaccharide is sucrose and maltose and the molecular formula is C12H22 and O11. Next example, sucrose. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Hydrolysis பண்ணும்போது ஒரு glucoseம் ஒரு fructoseம் கிடைக்கும். Next example is maltose. Maltose on hydrolysis gives two molecules of glucose. Next we'll go to trisaccharides. When trisaccharides is hydrolyzed, we get three monosaccharide molecules. Example, raffinose. Molecular formula is C18H32 and O16. Raffinose on hydrolysis gives glucose, fructose and galactose. That is, trisaccharides gives three monosaccharide molecules. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are carbohydrates of high molecular weight which yield many monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. Example, starch and cellulose. When starch and cellulose is hydrolyzed, we get N molecules of glucose. Here I have mentioned few examples for monosaccharides and disaccharides. Example for monosaccharides are glucose, fructose and galactose. The examples I have shown here are potato, bread, cereals, rice and beans, and fructose, honey, mango, pear and apple. And due to the presence of fructose only, the mango fruit is very tasteful, and honey is also very sweet. And galactose, papaya, milk, fig, watermelon, or the fruits in which galactose are present. If we come to the disaccharides, sucrose, sugar is present in sucrose. Soft drinks and dry fruits also contain sucrose. Maltose, beer and bread contain maltose. Lactose, milk products such as milk, yogurt, pudding, or have the content of lactose. Here we'll see few examples for polysaccharides, that is starch and cellulose. Starch is present in potatoes and also in maize and roots. Cellulose is present in the plants. இந்த வீடியோ மெயினாக ஏன் போட்டிருக்கோன்னா ஆர்கானிக் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி படிக்கிறதுக்கு கஷ்டப்படுற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக போட்டிருக்கோம். If you have any doubts, email me at orgchem.simplify@gmail.com. Thank you.